Now that I have all the paint ready to go, it's time to get started on this mural. And that's it, guys. We're finally done with our mural. It took us about a total of 10 hours. And the reason why it took us that long was because we really dialed it in on the smallest of details. All around the side of the mountain, you're gonna see no specks of white. Everything's gonna be black. The sun, I decided to go with a little bit of a hazy black to it as well. So it gives it a little bit more depth. And yeah, this is amazing. I can't wait to get my cars in here and do a little photo shoot with this mural because I think it's gonna look awesome. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.